Now listen, I got meats, I got cheeses, I got a catering dip named after me. I've been around since the dawn of the sandwich, right? You gotta vote for the Jurassic Classic, huh?
As one of the original members of the Isaac's flock, I have turkey, mayo, and Munster cheese. I'm not finished. I have bacon, too.
I represent all that is vegetarian at Isaac's. Like, wow, that's deep. Even deeper, I used to be called Anthurium. That was before I received my native plant name, Larkspur, which is a name I received at a bread change ceremony that took place in the forests of southern Lancaster County. Change is good. Vegetarian is good. Larkspur is good. Where was I going with this?